What's up, YouTube? Back show you guys another video. This one is about Bing. This time I'm using Bing Edge. You get 20 points per day and 100 points if you can search up to 10 searches per day. And this is an app again, Bing Edge, I believe, or Microsoft Edge, excuse me. So yeah, Microsoft Edge. It's you can get Bing rewards from this app, and it's in the Play Store. What I like to do is just do this while I'm walking around, and just put in random search phrases, as you can see, and just let it keep searching. And as I go to the next search, I'm just going to delete a word or a letter, excuse me, and search again, and keep repeating until you get to your maximum limit of 100 per day.